Oh, yes, it is the event. Check it out. We got someone over here who had a laundry accident. Gonna buy anybody shoes. Nice. Must have been a loose sock or something. That's the worst. Hi, everybody. How's it going out there? My name is Buddy Boyle. I'm going to be one of your monsters right here at the laugh floor today. Do you all know who the MC is for our show? Shout out his name if you know it.
Mike Wazowski.
That's right, Mike Wazowski's into his Wazowski. Do we have any Mike Wazowski fans out there? Scream and make some noise! He's going to love that. Hey, Needleman, you hear that okay? I just did the mic check. Mic check. We got about 3 gigawatts in the can up there. We're gonna fill that bad boy up, that's for sure. This next thing is wants to get up and dance. Give it up for our dancer, everybody. That was amazing. Look at how proud she is. I can't take him anywhere. Check it out, this is gonna be fun. What if a monster comes out on our stage thing and says, "Hello, humans"? The proper response is to wave your hands around crazy and scream like this. Ah! Hello, humans! Hey, that was pretty good, but you're gonna be a lot louder than that. Hello, humans! Excellent job, everyone. Let's get this party started. Help me out now. Let's say, Roz, start the show!
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit doors. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the laugh floor. And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski. Hello, humans. Now, come on, you can do better than that. Hello, humans. Oh, very good. I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the laugh floor. Now, this is your first time in a monster world. There are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it would be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that launched 1,000 lunches. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? To get away from Roz! She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Yep.
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
Or else what?
Or else this.
Phew! Are you ready for our first act? Here they are! Mac and cheese!
Hello, humans!
Oh, yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Ella, and this is my little brother, Sam.
Hi.
Yes, and Sam's an expert in the geography of the
human
monster world.
world!
no,
Sorry, I
no,
stepped
no.
on you there. Sorry, I interrupted. What happened?
Well, I said the monster world, and
That
you
is
were...
incorrect.
No, you're incorrect. You said the human world.
Yeah, because that's what I studied. Listen, ask me any question. Ask me the capital of any country. I'll tell you what it is.
Okay, all right. Okay. Humans, shout out the name of one of your countries, please. I think I heard Africa.
Ooh, that's a good one. The capital of Africa is A. Thank you! Big A, little Africa.
Okay. Alrighty, let's keep this going. We can ask the audience some more questions. It could be anyone.
Except that guy.
Ooh, not that guy.
Hey, he looks lost.
He does. Alrighty, humans, raise your hand if you know where you live.
Come on, humans, raise them and way down.
Yes, okay.
Wow, that should be everybody.
Everyone. Alrighty, I see a human over here on this side of the audience who knows exactly where they live. Let's see, Mr. Needleman, pull them up. There we go.
Oh, in the butcher.
Yes. Could you tell us your name, please?
John.
Hi, John.
Where are you from?
Titusville, Florida.
Titusville, Florida. Beautiful this time of year. Titusville, Florida is a small volcanic island located in the middle of Guadalajara. It's famous for its sandy beaches and the Eiffel Tower.
Okay, is this correct?
Yes.
Yes! Thank you, John. Thank you. He is a credit to the Florida school system. I love him. Say and talk to a two-headed looking human.
A two-headed looking human?
Yeah, look at them. They're totally matching.
All right. Let's talk to them, please. Could you tell us your names?
Chelsea.
And?
Chelsea and John.
Chelsea and John, where are you from?
Ohio.
Ohio!
Florida.
Let's stick with Ohio. Ohio is a frozen tundra located in the middle of Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. It's famous, of course, for its pajama jeans. It's where they invented the blender, and it's home of the Eiffel Tower.
Chelsea, is this correct?
Yes, it is! John's shaking his head. Well, that's because John's from Claremont. Okay, listen. Ohio has a new national anthem. John's gonna love it. It goes like this. Hit it! Here we know, Ohio. I think that John is to blame for making everyone in the group dress up the same. It's a culture and skunks, man, it flies. It's growing around all of its 9 Eiffel Towers.
Ladies and
Oh, 15 gigawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as funny as a monkey in a tutu. The monkey wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle!
Hello, humans! Oh, that's fantastic. You all remembered everyone except that guy. I love that guy. I think he's taking a nap. All right, now, as you all know, my name's Buddy Boyle. What I did say earlier, though, tonight I'm here to debut my brand new mind-reading act. Yes, I have the power to read minds because I'm telepathetic. Thank you so much. What I need is for a mind to read. I believe the powers will pull me this way, over this side. Oh, yeah, over here. I'm sensing someone now. I'm sensing someone thinking, he better not be picking me. I pick you. Hi there, how you doing? I'm Buddy Boyle. What is your name, please? Correct. Excellent job, Bella. It is Bella, right? Stella! 2 for 2. All right, Stella, could you do me the honor of picking a number between 1 and 50? Do you have a number, Stella? Yes. Good, I need you to share that number with the audience so they'll be amazed when they guess it right. Don't worry, I'm gonna close my eyes first so I don't hear you saying it, okay? Tell them now, Stella!
4.
Have you told the audience your number, Stella?
Yes.
Did you tell them the number?
Yes.
Stella, the number? Have you said the number? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. My eyes were closed. That was my bad. I'm sorry. Okay. Stella, I'm going to pull the number from your brain. Here we go. Let's look up mentally. Place your hands on your head. Hands on your head, Stella. Hands on your head. Nice. I need you to make antennas with your fingers now. Little antennas. Can you put them up there for me? Oh, rabbit ears. Better reception on your style. Let's go. I need you to concentrate on your number and make the telepathetic sound of... Kick it. You can do it. Come on, let's do it for the lady who's illegally recording the whole act. Stella, can you yodel? Give us a yodel, Stella. Oh, wow. Her lawyer joined in on the act. Everybody's doing it but Stella. Okay, Stella, I have your number. 38!
Yes.
Uh-oh. That was your number?
No.
Why you want to play me like that, Stella? I got Is it higher or lower?
Lower.
I can't go lower. He just hit me, it's 4! Give it up, Stella!
Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Just fill the can. But remember, I'm watching. Always watching.
I'm watching, always watching. I'm Roz, and I've got a mold on me.
I can still hear you.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, performing the jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski!
Hello, human! Wow, that was very good. Hi, everybody. My name is Marty Wazowski, and my Uncle Mikey told me that you guys texted in some jokes. You want to hear some of those jokes? Oh, yeah. Cool, okay. I got this one from Cam in Nashville. And Cam says, why did the angry Jedi cross the road? Everybody say why? Why? To get to the dark side. Yeah, that's a good one. I got this one from Henry in Arkansas. And Henry says, what do you call a sleeping dinosaur? Everybody say what? What? A dinosaur. And I got one more. This one's from Cody in Florida. And Cody says, after an unsuccessful harvest, why did the farmer decide to try a career in music? Everybody say why? Why? Because he had a ton of sick beats. Those were great. And you guys, you know what? When I grow up, I'm going to Monsters University. Oh yeah, I'm excited about that. My Uncle Mikey told me that when he was at MU, he learned that if you got the right partner, you could do anything. So I think I need a partner. If you're a human kid out there and you want to help me out with some jokes, raise your hand high in the sky if you want to help me out. Okay, I think I found a human that wants to help me. I hope this is hello there, human kid. What is your name? Wait, I know it. It's Leah. Leah. Is that right? And that's right? Ah, because I can read your badge. That's really cool. Is it your birthday? Yep. Happy birthday. How old are you? 7. That's really cool. You want to help me with some jokes, Leah? Okay, cool. I got this one for you. Okay. What do you call somebody that takes care of chickens?
A farmer?
Oh, good answer. I was going to say a chicken tender. Leah, you look like a pretty princess, but what do you want to be when you grow up?
A singer.
A singer. Wow, what kind of singer do you want to be?
Ariana Grande.
Oh, that's cool. All right. Cool. What is a computer's favorite singer?
Ariana Grande.
No, it's Adele. Okay, I've got one more joke for you, Leah. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
That guy! Happy birthday, Leah. Thanks for helping me out.
Look at that! What do you think of that, Roz?
Well, I guess I have to promote the one responsible.
Oh yeah, what's my new title?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy.